Hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing great. Getting ready to do a 12 by 12 gallery wrap. There she is. And some really bright, cheerful colors and interesting color combo, and we'll just see what happens, okay? So anyway, just want to say hello, and we're going to get down to the painting and the colors. Okay, so here we are, guys. Here's the colors: Basics, Phthalo Cyan Blue, Basics, Brilliant Yellow Green, Blix, Quinacridone Magenta, and Basics, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Basics, Bright Aqua Green. So you guys may notice that these are the same colors that I used the other day, and I added pink and took away the Phthalo Blue. So it totally changes how that's going to look. And 5 colors is my max right now. And I've used Spot on treadmill belt, lubricant, and they're all the silicone's already added in there. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with white. Can you guys see all the colors? Okay, yeah. So I only have a little bit of this green and a little bit of yellow, but just enough for this painting. So that's fine with me. I don't usually use a lot of yellow because I'm just checking these. They've been sitting. Okay, start with some white. And then we go with some blue. So, what have you guys been up to? I wish I could talk to you. For some reason, I don't think the colors are the same, but this reminds me a lot of the painting I did, Candyland. But no two paintings will ever look alike. Similar, maybe. Put a little more white right here. You guys, I'm not even kidding you. There's a turtle trapped in my backyard right now. You get out. Yep. Yeah, it looks like he got out. We have a gate. I don't know how he got inside because we have like a fence. We're right on the lake. Maybe I'll show you guys real quick. And somehow he got on this side of the fence. And I saw him, luckily. It was big. He's like 2 feet around. And he was one of those soft shell ones. It wasn't a land, it was a water turtle. Because you could tell by the way his shell looked. And I don't know about you guys, but I love turtles. So he was like in front of the gate, which was locked. So it's like, how did you know that's your way out? But the gate was closed. And he was right in front of the, like, where I would have to stand to unlatch it. And I was a little afraid that he would get scared and bite me if I tried to reach over him. So I waited, and oh my god, that yellow and that pink, just love that. So I just waited, and then he moved a couple of feet. It looked like he was trying to find another way out. And when he moved, I walked over there and I was able to open the gate. And it took him a little while, but he figured it out. He's gone back into the lake now. I was like, hey buddy, I don't know where you think you are, but you're in the wrong place. Okay, this is not going to take real long at all. Okie dokie. Deciding if I want to paint my corners like a certain color. Maybe I'll just use the white, because I did put a lot of white in this. My paint thickened up a little bit because it's been sitting for a couple of days. And I maybe could have added a little bit of water to it just because it's been sitting. But I didn't. I was just a little lazy. I had my mind on other things regarding this. So it'll be okay. I feel confident. This is the rainbow cup. Just making sure that comes down enough. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, here we go. Cool. Where's the pink? Not much pink. Maybe it'll come in the form of cells. Okay, I got a new torch because I've been using that big one. I had a little chef one that I got at Walmart, and it only lasted like a couple of weeks before it broke. So I ordered this one on Amazon, and we'll see how it does. Looks like I need a little more butane. Looks like I'm gonna have to go get my big torch after all. It's Old Faithful, it's noisy. Okay. So I'm gonna put some white over here to help this roll. Okay, she's ready to rock. Really did list. I should have put more pink in my layering, but it's okay. I'm gonna go back and forth a little bit over here. Ooh, the cells in the middle look pretty. I'm loving that aqua green. Gonna lose some of these cells, but that's okay. Ooh, they're really opening up now, aren't they? Got a little purple. I think the pink and the blue touched each other somehow. one last corner. And I'm like considering putting a little white here just to see what it looks like with just a white corner, because of the way that looks so cool. And I know I'll lose a lot of it if I try to cover the corner. Hold on, my glove's dirty. It's gonna make that white not white anymore. Something like that. Maybe move it just a little, but I don't want to lose that cool looking thing there. Cool. I love it. Let me check my sides. That looks so neat. Huh, guys? Where's the pink? Huh? It's like in the form of, definitely mixed with something. Probably the green. Because I put these two colors right next to each other. And that probably made, or the pink and the yellow made kind of an orange color. Looked pretty when it was going into the cup though, didn't it? But yeah, I guess pink and yellow would make orange. Just checking my sides, everyone. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. That was awesome. Okay, everybody, there it is. This is so pretty. I'm loving that aqua green. Okay, I'll start right here. And the cells are really, really pretty together. I love this corner up here. Something a little different. Aqua green cells. Goes into these yellow ones over here. There. Love the veins of white. Love that. Don't know why, but I do. Love when that happens. I put a pretty good amount on the bottom, in the middle, and in the top of white. And yeah, so I'm glad I did that. So there it is, guys. I will be right back. I want to show you guys the painting that dried that I did a few days ago. Okay. So that was fun, right guys? I've been in kind of a green mood. I'm wearing my green dress, and I've got some green going on in the painting that I just did, and then lots of green in this, the tortoise shell, I named it. And drawing exactly like I wanted it to. Love it. Love, love, love it. This is a pretty one. I can see this on any color wall. This would go on a beige wall, gray wall, any color wall, practically. Alright, so there's the sides. And I haven't even peeled the tape off the back yet. But another thing is, it's really, really smooth. And I think that's from the GAC 800. I didn't get a lot of lumpy bumpies from this. Let's see if I can show you guys. Really smooth. So I almost feel like this wouldn't even need resin at all. I think varnish would look amazing on it, but I would resin it. This is going to be in my Etsy shop in a couple of weeks, guys, so if you're interested, keep an eye out for it. I'm going to be doing some resin maybe tonight, if not, definitely tomorrow. So there's going to be a few pieces showing up over there, and I'll be showing you guys how they look resined anyway. Okay, so I hope you liked the painting that I just did, and I hope you liked my video. If you haven't subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye!